have a lot of commodities out here, but pretty much everything's closed system. Since we've launched, we don't have much left, but we do have.
Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense. This whole thing pivots around.
Yeah, rotates around.
Neat.
Rotating
Service structure.
And when we're working on the vehicle or have the vehicle in place, or they're going to bring the vehicle out, you know, we would then, you know, rotate it around, and that kind of covers the vehicle and gives us access and work platforms on the vehicle. And you can come here and take a look. We'll just look at the shuttle main engine. Now you.
Frank Rodriguez, 77511. Frank Rodriguez, 77511.
It's the VAB, probably about 6 miles away. This is where Sheila looks us from.
Not understanding the architecture of follow-up vehicle, you know, the SLS is, you know, that we're going to get it, but that will need kind of an arm and some stuff, so we've kind of backed off on this pad. This one. A lot of the metal, everything was given to a strap, and they are in a harsh environment. They come with their suits on and everything. After we go to the top, we'll come down to the 195, which has an orbiter access arm.
Yeah.
And we'll show you with the baskets and that kind of stuff too, like where the emergency egress baskets are. Step out here to the left.
What are these numbers? Like 255 feet, I think.
Yeah, it's elevation. It's elevation.
Woo!
So it's from MSL. Around here, we'll take it to the full top. Each flight of stairs.
We are going up.
Good, guys?
There's some weird state.
It's gonna fall. I'll have you on YouTube in a moment.
Well, there's
One guy that's
We are going up to the lightning mast. Hence there is no lightning in the area. Hopefully.
It's worth the walk. Yeah. It's a great view.
What is it's a good day to have the camera. We're looking out over the lovely Atlantic Ocean on top of the Space Shuttle Tower. What's the name of this tower again, Ed?
It's Launch Pad A.
Launch Pad A, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry, was that in there?
I thought the last time would have been it.
All right, you never know.
You never know.
Yeah.
Uncle Andy on top of
So yesterday, Pat B took down the
Launch Pad A. I'm going to hand the camera. Still running.
concrete there.
I'll get in front of the Launch Pad A too. It's on.
You're back up to the edge there, and I'll show the nose cone. There's the nose cone right there.
Yeah. It's a beautiful thing.
Hey, Adam.
Yeah. You filming?
Yeah,
Awesome.
I hope so.
It's a good day.
Southeast.
Yes, it's a great day.
Lightning towers closest to us. That's Atlas 5. And the VIF is the vertical integration facility that's adjacent to it. So they have a very short way to roll out. And they roll out like we do on the back of a mobile launch platform. The next 4 set of Lightning towers is SpaceX. Now SpaceX rolls their vehicle out in a horizontal configuration and raises it once they get to the pad. So they actually just use that little white building that you see adjacent to the 4 Lightning towers. Next to the south is the Delta IV. You guys can see the vehicle between the 2 Lightning towers, and of course you know the building is on railroad ties and rolls back. And there are Delta IIs, twin Delta IIs in the distance between the 2 large buildings that are on the island.
That's complex 17. I had a chance to go deep sea fishing last night. A friend of mine called. Come on, I'm taking the boat out. man, I told Kevin I'd help him.
Well, we're happy to have you here and appreciate your time.
Okay, we're going downstairs to the top of Launch Pad A. Pretty freaking awesome.
A lot of rain, a lot of storms coming through.
Yeah. Yeah, no, but
And then they just decided they weren't going to do that.
but I mean, why did he ride it? He was the original person.
And the resistance in the sand is pretty well known, so that decelerates the basket to an area that will land by those sidewalks. And you see 7 baskets, and you say, hey Kevin, you know, that's a lot of baskets just for 7 astronauts. Well, you got to realize the net doesn't stop you. That big pole right there will. So,
Rescue baskets to get down in a hurry.
and it's kind of interesting. I gave a tour out here a long time ago. Mike Leinbach, who was our launch director, he actually was one of the original engineers that helped design the system a little bit as far as the heights of the cabling and that kind of stuff. So it's kind of interesting. And then the bunker, you can't really see it, but there's like a raised mound to the left of it. On that inside there's a bunker that they would position themselves. And on launch day, there were
Crazy.
Basically.
Drop off a little bit. Yeah. Gotta film this.
Okay, what we're doing is going to what they call the White Room. This is where the astronauts deploy from.
B-21 usually it's 6 to 21, but yeah, it's just
The shuttle.
Just what connects to the
Through that door.
So yeah, this is the actual White Room. I like to point out the cameras. Like there's a camera here and there's a camera here, so that's the view you're getting. When you see stuff on TV, it's coming from those cameras. So you're looking at normally the vehicle hatch would be right there, and this arm would be deployed to the east. You know, yeah. Right now it's in the stowed or the launch position. You know, this would be the position for launch. And of course, all these things would have ELSA bottles and emergency equipment and various things. Last few things for the astronauts in there and stuff. So.
Very cool.
Gloves or whatever.
Awesome.
How quick does this move to the shuttle?
Pretty doggone quick. It can. It has redundant systems. I think there's like a hydraulic, and then there's also.
These are the 4 astronauts in space right now. These are the last ones that use it right here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's right. That's got their name. Yeah, that's them.
This is where their helmets
Because I know Magnus, the cutie.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, I should have said that. That guy's got me on tape.
I'll edit it.
Oh yeah, edit that out.
I'll edit it. There's a little perspective, ladies and gentlemen. Earlier on in the tape, you saw we were down in that like Hell's Kitchen. That is the flame deflector. Solid rocket boosters on the left. The shuttle tail basically faces the right. Pull the trigger, kick the tire, light the fire, away we go.
Storage and for like tech shops, but then we also have an environmental control area that is this huge room with these blowers and chillers and UPS backup supplies and chillers, all underneath this pad.